welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a Nordstrom Trunk Club box with me here today. Now this is smaller than normal. Y'all, if you've watched in the past, sometimes they take up this entire screen. I did a trunk on demand, which means I don't have a reoccurring subscription. When I'm ready for a trunk, I go on the app and let them know. And I told them that we are going on a beach vacation, that I was recently diagnosed with melanoma, and I needed really great beachwear that is covering. And so that's what's supposed to be in this box. And I thought, why don't we unbox it together? Maybe you guys are taking a vacation too and could use a little refresh. If you are a Nordstrom credit card holder, trunk style fees are zero, free. It's awesome. If you are not a card holder, I think it's $20 to be styled, and that goes towards a purchase. I have been doing trunk clubs since before Nordstrom owned them. They are one of my favorites. It's not as curated as like front door fashion. It's definitely a little more big box automated. But with zero style fees, I can hit 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes a year and get some really great finds without doing any work whatsoever. So the box wasn't packed too much better than this, but it was slightly better. I did dig through this stuff really quickly. They always put this at the bottom, and I wanted to pull it up top so we could take a look. When you get this guy, inside is how things work. So the try on, tell us what you think, keep what you love, make your selections. And you can do all of this on a website or on their iPhone app, which is really easy to use. Inside is the tape to tape your box closed, the return postage. I mean, literally, the box comes to your door, you try it on, stuff you don't want, you put back in, you call for pickup. Done. And then here is a note from the stylist, and here is everything that is in the box with the price. Funny thing is, I guess this must be retail pricing, because when you log into the app, which is all that I use, the pricing can differ on here. So like, some of these items are much cheaper on the app than they are on here. I'm guessing because Nordstrom's constantly changing up their pricing, this is just the price at the point of throwing things in the box. I don't know. I just use the app. On the home page, you can see at the top where I can request another trunk, and you can see I'm set up for on demand. You can see my current trunk, and then you can see featured trunk. So if you like something that's here on the featured trunk site, you can just click view the trunk and send me the trunk, and they'll start curating it. So if you're just like me, and sometimes you're a mom who's just brain dead and you can't think of anything else, coming in here and being able to just select the sustainable style trunk and be done is really nice. But if you go here, view all 10 items, you can see everything that is in my trunk. And if I want to keep it, exchange it, or return it, and I can add notes. So like if you look at this first one, the River Island Floral Print Smock Long Sleeve Beach Dress, which I am wearing here in an extra small. I have the option of keeping it, exchanging it, or returning it. I happen to love the way this dress looks on me. It is covering and protecting from the sun, but it's very thin, it's light and airy, it's gonna be great over a swimsuit. I absolutely love it. So on the phone app, you can see I selected keep, and I talk about and tell them what I love: the style, the pattern, the brand, the color, the fabric, the size fit. Go through and mark it all, be honest, and then add notes. Tell them what you love and what you don't love. And then when you're done, you just click save, and you can bump to the very next item, which happens to be the Bianca sleeveless dress. I'm not necessarily loving the Bianca sleeveless dress. It doesn't have pockets, and I feel like it should for $128, and the particular cut of this dress is conducive for it, so why doesn't it? I also don't love bands that fall at this particular point on my waistline because it emphasizes my little mommy pouch, and nobody wants anything that emphasizes their mommy pouch. So I am going to click return and share why I am returning this particular item. I am gonna mark it as too expensive for the material, and I'm gonna say it doesn't have pockets. All dresses nowadays should have pockets. So this next dress is the Treasure and Bond sleeveless jersey dress. I went back and forth on keeping this in my trunk. So you do get a trunk preview before your box ships. So if you look at it and you're like, oh, I already own that, or oh, I know I would never wear that. Before you even get your box, you can mark those things. And I did. I went ahead and let this in because I wanted to try it. And I do love it. I think this is so cute on me. I think the color's great. I think it's really fun to wear. I just have to focus to hold my tummy in And I don't particularly care for that. When I'm on vacation and we're eating ice cream and we're drinking all day, I really just kind of want the freedom to just chill and relax and not focus on sucking in my tummy. So this does not fit my particular need of a vacation box. So I will be clicking return on that, even though the $49 price point is pretty spot on. The next is the flutter sleeve midi dress. Love this dress. I think it is so cute. I think it's a great color, it's a great fit, but it just goes back to that waistband again. It is just falling at the right place to give me a little bit of a mommy pouch, and I'm just not about that life right now. So for this particular event of beach vacationing, I am going to click return on that dress. Now check out the swimsuit. This swimsuit is normally $89. It's on sale 40% off, and they do honor that sale price in the box, which is great. I do really love this swimsuit. I wish the sides near my boobs didn't pucker right there on the edge of that scallop. That's a little bit of a bummer. And honestly, I really probably could get over that and it wouldn't bother me so much, except for the high-waisted or high-cut front is a little more revealing than I typically like to wear, especially if I'm going on vacation with my kids and my dad. Not exactly my speed to be showing quite that much skin. So I'm sad to say I am going to be returning this particular swimsuit. And then next is the Sanctuary Traveler Twist Neck Cotton Blend Top. It's just a basic tee. This is an extra, extra small. I don't need it. It's comfy, it's easy to wear, it's $39, but I just don't need it, and I'm really trying to curate my closet so that I don't end up with a bunch of stuff that is hard to pick out outfits because I've got too much stuff, but rather have a few really great things that it's easy to pick out outfits. So I am going to return this. Next are the Madewell Boardwalk Risa Flip Flop. I did not realize I was getting a shoe in this. I think she added that in after, which is great, except for last weekend I bought a brown flip flop. So now I don't need this, so I will be clicking return on this guy. And then next is the BB Dakota by Steve Madden. I actually like Steve Madden. I love BB Dakota, but they did not make a good baby. I do not like this dress. I don't care for the pattern. I don't care for the material. It's as rough as heck. It doesn't have pockets. I would definitely want to wear a denim jacket or something over it, and don't want to wear a denim jacket to the beach. And so there's nothing about this that defines me. Definitely clicking return. But this next item, the BB Dakota by Steve Madden mini dress, the pink mini dress here, is on sale. It's 40% off. It's only $47. I like it, but I don't know if I love it. Like, part of me loves it. Part of me doesn't know. I don't know. I think this is a good beach dress. It shows a little more of my chest area, and that's where I just had melanoma removed. And I'm supposed to be really protecting that area, so I'm kind of nervous about that. So lean in, you guys. What do you think? Is this a keep or is this a return? Like, is it cute enough to outweigh the risk and just keep sunscreen on, or is it not that cute? Tell me what you guys think. Is this a keep or not keep? And then the last item here is the Tommy Bahama Boyfriend Shirt Cover-Up. It's $68. This is an extra small. And I'm about this. This is so my beach style. It is covering, it is comfortable, it is chic, it is easy. I absolutely love this for on-the-go mom beach style. I can put a flip-flop on or a hat, an earring, and I can go to dinner in my swimsuit if I needed to. Or I could just wear it on the beach and there's not this panic of it being a fancy dress. So I am loving this item. So if I end up keeping just the two items, not the pink dress, it's only $103 invested with 0 of my time invested. That's a pretty cool deal. If I add on the pink dress, it's only like $50 more. So that is still an amazing deal. And then just here on my phone, I have my Nordstrom credit card programmed in. I can just go in and literally click purchase and I'm done. I might even go ahead and get this box shipping back and go ahead and request one more box to come just to fill a few more spots. I did on this box, actually before my trunk shipped, put in several URLs from Nordstrom.com of dresses and stuff that I loved and said, hey, can you get me these particular items or something like it? I did not necessarily see that pop up in this box. I don't know if I communicated it too late by putting it at, during the preview. So I'm gonna do that same thing, but I'm gonna put it at the very beginning, like right when I request the box. I'm also thinking about going on the featured trunk and either doing the summer essentials box or the summer vacation trunk or the summer weekend trunk. I like all three of those, so I may go do one of those because I would not mind getting a really great hat or two. So if I do end up ordering one of those, I'll loop back so that you guys who are vacationing and hitting summer can do the same thing. It really, I think sometimes the fashion subscription boxes scare people, but literally, it is so easy. I have clothes that I bought from Target, brought them home, tried them on, they didn't work. They are still sitting in there because I have to figure out time to get in my car, to drive that to Target, to wait in line, to make the return. No, let this just come to your door, try it on, ship it back, done. And you can do, I don't know if there's a limit, but if you're shopping and you're spending, I bet they'll send you as many boxes as you want because this is what they're about. Okay, you guys, let me know if you have any questions. If I get that other box shipped in before I leave on vacay, I will share it with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We have promo codes and discounts and coupons all over the site. So make sure you are subscribed so you can go grab those, and make sure you check out our monthly hauls. They have so many giveaways and they're just, in general, so much fun. Thank you for watching my Trunk Club unboxing, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.